Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can withdraw your funds from Shopify to PayPal, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I want you to keep note of is that all your payments that are processed through the Shopify site will end up in the account that you have set up as a payment provider. So we're going to set up the PayPal payment provider using the following steps. First, from your dashboard, you're going to want to go into settings, and once you're here, you'll see the payments section right here on the left. You're going to want to click on that, and then you'll see PayPal is a supported payment method, and you can add other payment methods over here if you want, and you can search the payment methods or providers here if you want. However, PayPal is the only supported one in my region, so I'm gonna go with that. And as you can see, you can just click activate PayPal. This will tell you how you can set up everything. As you can see, you need to activate Express Checkout to connect your PayPal account, and once you do, you just click activate over here, and it's going to open up a new tab for PayPal. And I do not have a PayPal account, so I'm not going to be setting everything up. However, as you can see, that is pretty much all you need to do to set up your account. All you have to do is just follow the steps after you click the activate button, and everything will be set up perfectly fine, and then all the money you get through your sales will go to your PayPal account. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.